Hi, I'm Rohan Gogoi. I'm a TAG alumni and I'm currently working as an assistant re-recording mixer here at Mariano Studios. I did my diploma in sound engineering at the Audio Guys Institute. The deciding factor for me was mainly the personal studio bookings that really, helped me in building my skills. And I feel there's less institutes in Mumbai which provides such kind of access and independence to help grow their skills. Every project contributed to my learning curve. Honestly, the best part was a class that happened by JK sir, critical listening and a year training class basically. So it really changed my perspective just to hear sound, to how to listen with intention, understand the balance, the depth. It really helped me, and it really changed how from just hearing sound to now listening to sound. The curriculum itself is so well designed that it already prepares you throughout the course for the industry. The sessions, the projects are all, have strict timelines, so which also helps us get discipline and to build ethics for the professional world. The best part is that all the projects and the sessions or the client meetings are all monitored by our mentors, and then they will let us know and they will scrutinize us till it meets the industry standard. Yeah, so anyone who is interested in sound engineering, it's very ideal to join TAG. Best part about TAG is that it teaches you from the basics, so you will get your fundamentals right. Even if you know it, it will be very helpful. Like after knowing the theories and the classes, practical classes, you will be able to get your own personal studio bookings, which will help you own your skills.